Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to see how much time you spend on apps. So from here you will have to move in the iPhone settings. So from here you will just go in the main home settings. So from here you will just tap to scroll down to find. So from here you will just tap to battery. So from here is the battery health and charging. So the last charge to 100%. So this is the 24 hours analysis. So you will just tap to show activity. So from here you will see the TikTok is 44 minutes that has been battery loss. So another you will see the all applications are with time to reduce. So if you want to 30 days of analysis, you can also check it. So it's very easy and simple. You will just analyze the battery charge. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.